if you season your other food, why wouldn't you season the oatmeal?
Hey, let's go. Freedom.
Boom, so let's get this party started. Listen, we're gonna start with 2.5 cups of oat milk. Never, ever, ever use water when you make an oatmeal. If you want the most creamy, the most succulent, the most decadent oatmeal, do not use water. Okay, so boom, we have 1 cup of oats going right into the boiling oat milk. Boom, next up in line, we have half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Once you have all of the good spices incorporated, you want to go ahead and put half a teaspoon of vanilla. We're also going to add just a pinch of salt, okay? Okay, so we're going to cook the oats on medium-low and get back in about 5 minutes. Look at the texture difference in about 5 minutes. Okay, so we are about 3 minutes into this cooking process, and I just want to show you what the oats will look like. They will begin to start thickening, but please don't be fooled, baby. Keep on cooking. Keep on cooking. It's not ready yet, but it's on its way. Here is what it will look like. Ooh, thick, creamy. Ooh, wee! And we just want to garnish this, okay? You can't have the beautiful oatmeal without a nice garnish. You want to add some blueberries and some raspberries. I'll add a little bit of banana on here. Add some walnuts right into the mix, baby. Listen, I like to go all out with my oatmeal, okay? We're also going to add some unsweetened coconut flakes. Bomb. Right there, just like that. Last but not least, we here for the nutrients, baby. I'm here for the nutrients. We're going to add some hemp seeds on here, okay? I don't got to get too crazy. I'm going to add some hemp seeds. Let's just go ahead and get into the baby. Yes, she is giving everything that she needs to. And just like that, we're all set with the only oatmeal recipe you will ever need in your life. Period. Remember, never, ever, ever make your oatmeal with water unless you want it to taste regular. And on that note, if you're looking for more plant-based vegan recipes or just lifestyle videos in general, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'm out.